How to obtain fast funding for emergency expenses. Now, unexpected expenses can hit a business at the worst possible time. Whether it's equipment breaking down, a sudden repair, or a cash flow shortage that threatens operations, waiting weeks for traditional financing isn't realistic. That's why our team works as independent brokers with David Allen Capital, connecting business owners to funding solutions that prioritize speed and accessibility. Instead of focusing on only credit scores, DAC looks closely at your business's revenue and cash flow, allowing for approvals in as little as 24 to 48 hours, and funding often within 1 to 2 business days. When emergencies happen, this speed can make all the difference in keeping your business running without interruption. The minimum requirements are designed to keep the process simple and achievable. For standard business funding, you'll need to be in business for at least 4 months, generate $15,000 or more in monthly revenue, and maintain a personal FICO score of at least 550 with operations in the USA or Canada. For businesses earning less than $15,000 monthly, David Allen Capital also provides instant microfunding options with more flexible qualifications, ensuring even smaller companies can access rapid financial support. These programs are built to help businesses move past emergencies without the delays of traditional lending. And with DAC's $500 meet or beat guarantee, you can apply knowing that if another lender gives you a better offer, DAC will either match it or put $500 cash in your pocket. When emergency expenses threaten your operations, you need capital fast. David Allen Capital delivers rapid, reliable funding so you can stay focused on moving forward. Click the link in the description below to apply today and secure the funding you need in record time.